Eurovision greetings and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miguel and I make reaction videos about the Eurovision Song Contest, in this case the edition of 2024. So I'm already in the second half of listing all the songs, and the next country I'm reacting to is Israel. A very polemic entry, as we all know, but I'll stick to my opinion about this entry that I haven't heard yet. So the singer is called Eden Golan, and Hurricane, it's the song, so let's hear it. So in 3, 2, 1, play.
Writer of my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye. Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. While the time goes wild, every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide.
I don't know if she sings live, but in the studio cut, her voice is beautiful. All these little water instrumental pieces, gorgeous.
Living in a fantasy, ecstasy, everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why? The time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride.
Goosebumps.
In the storm, I got nothing to hide. Take it all and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
Oh, nice.
אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
Oh. Ah, nice. I need a time to recover. Now, if you've seen some of my previous videos, you know that I'm a huge fan of native languages in Eurovision, and I think most people are, because it brings you closer to the culture of each country and tradition. So it's very, very warm, you know, as a feeling when you get the chance to hear a native language at Eurovision. What do I feel? Yeah, having said this, I said before that I love Serbian as a language, Italian as a language, also French, but Hebrew is another one that really gets me, because I feel it's so beautiful, and I like some Eurovision entries with a Hebrew on it, like for example the Israeli entry from 2005 and 2010, Milim, for example. So yeah, I mean, having heard this little tiny piece of Hebrew at the end of the song makes me think that I would like it to be, you know, even longer. And I would love them to remove some of the English parts and put Hebrew. That would be just spectacular. Putting that aside, I felt that the song is great. I just felt every single word that she was singing. I connected to her. She has a beautiful voice. The video clip was also nice to see. I don't know how this song will be on stage, but I'm kind of seeing an epic performance, like a really strong ballad as this one. I think that Israel has chances this year at Eurovision, regardless the situation that happens outside Eurovision with Israel. But I liked it a lot actually. I think that it will be one of those ballads that will probably hear the most. I'm not saying the most, but it will be there among other, I'd say 4 or 5 at this point in terms of ballads. So I will give it 8.5. That's a great score because I really enjoyed it. So well done to Israel and to Eden Golan for this Hurricane song. I liked it a lot. But this is my opinion. What's yours? Tell me in the comment section. Like this video if you liked so. Subscribe to the channel if you want to, and I would appreciate. And I will see you guys on the next video. So you know what to do. Come back with me. Until then, stay safe. Bye.